guys, of course, here. Please start clear that up and turn on kids. Thumbs up. Okay, guys, today we're making a video. Show us this about this baby bird. You poop a lot. My hair's my face, you guys. Look at how cute it is. Tyler! No. Guys, look how cute it is. If you don't think that's cute, you're crazy. Look at it. Okay, look at that. We're all left here. And it's, okay, its brother died. Or sister or brother died. I'm going to show you guys. This is heartbreaking. It passed away. See? Passed away. Okay, so we're glad we just get to keep one birdie around. You can't see my face today. But first, she's... Okay, guys. Look at this, how cute it is. You can't stop that. If you want to keep a baby bird in your house, we decided to keep it outside. Won't poop in our house, in houses. Okay. But look how cute it is. Cutie. You can like pet it. Okay, we're gonna pet this bird really softly. Okay. Cutie. Come here, stop. You get hard. Oops, sorry guys. Look how cute it is. Guys, we gotta go, but look how adorable it is. Look how adorable, you guys. We're gonna show you all about this baby bird because it's too cute to stop looking at it. Beep, 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 beep. It cheats. Of course she does. I found it today. Yesterday we lost it. Both of them, one died. Then I found a lizard. Then I just saw it. This one. And look how much it grown from today. Look how cute it is, you guys. It looks black, but it's actually gray. Bye, you guys. We're sorry. And Avery, do you want to say something? Hey, Avery, do you want to say something to YouTube? Avery, you say something to the YouTubers? Avery?
No, you can't do it now, baby. You can't do it. You can't post that.
Okay, now we're going to keep looking at this baby bird. My baby bird. Hey guys, we're about to go. Bye.